What's the meaning of a dictionary of modern English usage? A dictionary of modern English usage. 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 A dictionary of modern English usage is a reference book written by grammarian Henry Watson Fowler. It was first published in 1926 and has since been revised and updated multiple times. The book aims to provide guidance on the correct use of English language, including grammar, punctuation, vocabulary, and style. The result is a comprehensive guide that is widely recognized as one of the most authoritative and accessible works on English usage. With its practical advice and clear explanations, it continues to be used as a valuable resource by writers, editors, and language enthusiasts alike.